Hello, Stellians. For today's problem of the day, we're really going to slow down and focus on our math drawings and our math strategy. So today's problem is pretty simple for you, but it's important to show your math work properly. Let's start with R, read. Follow along with me. There are 10 seats on the roller coaster. 4 seats are taken. How many seats are still empty? Now it's time for D, draw. Remember to draw the math way. And your math drawings need to be organized in 5 groups. Show your math strategy in your drawing. Now, write the answer. When you write the answer, it can be a number sentence today. Now I want you to write the answer to this question in a complete sentence. How many seats are still empty? On your seesaw video, the teachers want you to explain how you solved the problem. Show us your math strategy and justify how you know you are right.